Alright, in this video I am going to be teaching you how to make the dragon. The dragon is my design. Made it up all by myself. I think it is a great design if you keep everything how it should be. It's big winglets, little kind of stabilizers right there, which are the ears. And if you look at it, it kind of resembles a dragon, I would say. But with this one, you either have to have the wings close to straight across when you close it. So, yeah, let's begin. Right. First, you want to fold this to this, do the basic water bomb, but don't fully water bomb it. Same thing, repeat opposite side. And then, but for this side, you fold this bottom part to this top edge. And then keep it like that, unfold, flip over, and you might see that there's a little crease right there. You want this corner to go to this end of the crease. On there. It'll be good. Let me fix that. Trying to pick this up. And then if you flip it over, you want to fold down right at that, and then unfold. Like if you look in the middle, right there, there'll be like a little X. You fold down on that, fold back up, flip it around. There will be like little creases here. You just, now you're gonna want to water bomb this. Fold it like that, but keep that up. Do the same with the other side. And look at this, like a little shield thing in the front. Let me show that again. Right on the ends of these two flaps, you just push down and push everything down. And then after that, you take this bottom and put the middle of this edge to the tip. This is an easy design, so shouldn't have much trouble with it. Take these corners and then just fold them under there so that it looks like this. And then fold in half. And then you see how on these little ears there's like a edge right there. To fold the wing, you want that edge to line up with the bottom of the body, like this. So it kind of looks like that line is continuing and continues to go beyond that. Same to the other side. So it'll pretty much look like, I'll show you what it looks like. The wings should look like this when they're down. And then to keep it like that, find the bottom of the body here with both fingernails, and then you're gonna want to take your fingernail and push the paper down, like make an imprint in the paper on your fingernail where the bottom of the body is on both sides, and then fold this edge up to that little indent you made with your fingernail for the winglets. And then push that up, push these up more, make those straight, and there. This design flies really good when you adjust this right and you throw it right. I don't really, there's no real way to throw it, but I mean, just experiment with the throwing and do what is best for you. So that was how to fold the dragon. I hope you enjoyed folding the paper airplane. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoy flying it. Goodbye.